What's good with y'all boys, man? How y'all doing? I've been going for 2 months. Let me go back over here because I've been going for 2 months, but as y'all can see, we in a new V. This is my second car. Like how I am, I really don't be public on what I got going on besides teaching y'all. Or just in general, I don't really show the shit that I have, but it's like, bro, we got this from trading. Like, this our shit from the markets. Like, y'all a part of it. And it's crazy how I'm finna break this video down today is I can break it down in the car. Like, I can break the trade down in the car. Hey man, listen, before we get into this video, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I'm giving y'all free game for free. The least we can do is, the least y'all can do is hit that like button for me, bro. Please. It helps my videos get recommended to other people who's trying to learn just like you. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, please. That's all I ask, bro. Just subscribe if you feel like it, but just hit the like button for me, bro. Today I made a bag on gold, but I was supposed to film this video. I'm recording right now, earlier last week, I think, or earlier. Yeah, this was like a last week video, but I didn't have my camera, but now I have it. So let me break this down for y'all in my car. I forgot how much I made. Let me check my phone. Bro, if y'all don't have this trading calendar that mark y'all wins and losses, do it. I seen this on TikTok and I got the app and I fuck with it. So I made last Thursday $721, bro. 721, bro. Y'all see it. And without further ado, man, let's get straight to this video. I don't even got a screen share, none of that shit. I don't even got to use my phone. Matter of fact, let me put my phone on the charger, damn it. We can charge the phone on the dashboard, bitch. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's break this trade down. I'm finna show y'all how I got in this trade, what I did on my car. But yeah, we in different times, full screen. But as y'all can see, my dashboard is basically my damn laptop, nigga. This is the trading card one-on-one. So look, basically what I did is so I've been trading gold this whole time, bro. Literally with gold, y'all, let me tell y'all, gold has been buying the whole 2025, like the whole 2025. Like since New Year's, gold has just been shooting up. And a long time ago, I told my homeboys that I trade with, I'm like, hey, bro, when gold break out this consolidation that it's in, where is it at? Because gold was like consolidating earlier this year around April. I was killing it in April, but then it started consolidating. Oh, this is the H1. Hold on, I'm gonna go to a bigger time frame for y'all. Gold was consolidating around like April, like spring of this year, bro. And for a minute I was touching it, but not touching it like how I'm touching it now type shit. Here we go. Around this area, gold was consolidating. And what do I tell y'all every single time we see a pair consolidate, bro? Damn, nigga, what the fuck? But yeah, it was consolidating. I'm like, y'all, once this break out of this consolidation, gold is gonna shoot and 8 times out of 10 not come back. And that's what the hell it's been doing. Bro, this nigga car is finna ruin my video, gang. I trade breakouts with gold, but I'm like, what about these pullbacks that gold been doing? I could low-key capitalize off of them shits. So last Thursday, gold was like in this consolidation box. I drew my box, and then like high key, it just sold out of nowhere. And I'm like, yo, I looked what it did the week before that. Gold so hard, and after that it never came back. So I'm like, hey, I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to try to capitalize off of this shit. So let me zoom in for y'all. Gold, hold on, I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can really see. Gold really came to a point, sold hard, and did the same thing as a point of no return. Me, I'm not gonna lie, I got in, I put my stops close. I had a big stop loss, big lot size, and just bought it. And then as y'all can see, it never came back. It gave me a bullish engulfing, and then it never came back, literally. And then it started doing some weird stuff up here, like it shot and then it came back and act like it was about to hit my entry points. And I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm about to take my cheese. So I made my little 700 and I got out. But if I would have held that trade, I'm gonna be honest with you, I probably would have made like 7,000 or 8,000, because look what it did after that. Like, it never came back. It never came back. And then the 2,000 I made today, like right now, current day, I'm gonna make that in a separate video. I actually got a surprise for y'all, because from the profits that we made from the chart, I upgraded my equipment. So I'm gonna go pick that up today at like around, I don't even know, sometime later in the day. But yeah, this right here was a 700 play that I did, and let me show y'all the profits actually, because why not? Let me grab my phone and let me actually show y'all MetaTrader. So this was around that time. So as y'all can see, boom, this was last Thursday, 200, 105, 194, 98, 44, 46, and y'all do the math. This was today, 505, 483, 374, yeah. And then as y'all can see, I just withdrew. So we on a live account. I just withdrew. I need that 250. The thing about that I like on a live account, oh yeah, sorry. And we on the live, by the way. We are not on no funding, we ain't no demo, none of that. Like, we on the live. Never, like, as y'all can tell, bro, from my old videos, damn, the lighting got horrible. Bro, y'all could tell from my old videos, like, I know how to trade, I know what I'm doing. But in my old videos, I was on fundeds, trying to pass fundeds, and then I got live on the funded, and then, yeah, markets. I was trading regular pairs at the time, man. Like, if you've been trading for the past couple years, we all know regular pairs used to be good, but now they like shit because of what the whole world got going on with their currency. Like, we all know what's going on. But, yeah, so like, I love live accounts because, bro, you can kill these markets if you know what you're doing. You can kill these markets and touch that shit same day. When I was making all that money with them fundeds and making money just to pass, just to pass a phase 1 or a phase 2, and you literally can't touch that shit, man, I'm like, man, I ain't gonna lie, I know what I'm doing. So I was thinking like, yo, I should like maybe keep my funded and then use the money from that to throw it into a live. I was probably gonna do 2 at one time, but then the program I was with, the funded program I was with, the regular pairs was acting like shit, so I had to change. I had to adapt to the markets. So I started trading NASDAQ, bro, and I was killing NASDAQ. I was making like 2% every day. That's 2,000. And then they said that I was martingale trading or something, which is against their lines, and they took like 8,000 from me that I made in like a couple of days. After that, I said, y'all can have the whole account, bro. I know what I'm doing, and I hate trading with these fundeds, and they like try to control you, or they try to like limit you because they know who's good traders and they know who's not good traders. Obviously, they profit off of traders that's like not that good, that be losing because you buy accounts, you lose your account, and they make money, they don't have to pay you. But for the people who really know how to get to that bag, like really read this stuff and really make money, they're gonna hit you with some BS and say that you're violating sometimes terms and service. Like 2 or 3 years ago, I was with my Forex funds. I was with them, bro. That's when I first like had my aha moment and everything started clicking. Like, bro, I'm like, I know what I'm doing now. Like, I understand this shit. Like, I had my enter my flow state moment, bro, dead ass. And then, bro, them niggas got quick scoped off the market. Them niggas was scamming folks, bro. There was Ponzi scheming niggas, like, dead ass, like, and it happened to my homeboys before. Like, they got in trades and the slippage was fucking crazy, nigga. Like, they got into a trade, perfect market execution, and they down X amount of money already off rip. Or they down slippage when the market's closed and you hold your trade when the market open. It's just mad slippage, bro. So it's just like, that's how I made $721, I think, last week on gold. We made a bigger bag this week, and I'm so happy because of y'all and because of me knowing how to do trade and teaching y'all, bro. We got my, bro, I wanted this car so freaking bad, bro. Like, nigga, my car helps me make money in the markets. I basically have my setup at home in my car. Like, I dead ass be driving, woo woo, looking at the markets and everything, bro. Like, nigga, just lie. Like, bro, it's basically like sitting at home in my setup looking at my PC while I play the game, but I'm driving. Like, I'm getting shit done and still be able to look at the markets without looking at my phone, keeping my eye off the road or something like distracting me, bro. So I like it, man. I fuck with it. And like, it hit different because, bro, I'm making money in my car. Like my phone helping me get to a bag. Gold just had a mean ass retracement, yo. I bet you money my friend just texted me saying that he cooking gold. Oh no, he probably ain't touch it. But gold just had a mean retracement, y'all. Gold just had a mean retracement, y'all, after it did what it did. Like, it bought hard this morning, then it sold hard. Gold just had a pullback. Y'all, gold just had a pullback at 11 o'clock in the daytime. I've never seen it do that shit. It had a pullback and then it started buying up again. But hey man, use me as motivation, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Just a couple years ago, I was watching, I was watching niggas on YouTube who trade type shit. Now, here's my opinion. I really don't like watching people that trade because some of them don't be authentic, bro. Some of them just be telling you some BS, a little bit of BS and whatever, and be trying to sell you a trading course or whatever. Like, that's why I started my own channel. I wanted to be that nigga that get on YouTube and be real with y'all and give y'all everything I know. Cause a lot of these niggas, like, bro, if you making money from the markets, well, this may sound dumb on me, but if I'm making money from the markets and I'm able to bless somebody with free knowledge, I'm just going to give it to y'all, bro. It's billions of dollars pumped into the markets every single day. So just because you giving a nigga the sauce how to trade is not gonna mess up your bag as the nigga that's teaching other folks. Man, I'm gonna teach y'all, bro. So that's about it. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Later, I'm gonna go get the present for y'all and for me. It really hit different because, bro, I'm pulling the money out of the markets to fund my YouTube setup. Like, that's just tough to me, bro. But yeah, we got the new car. I'm fucking with it, bro. Y'all gonna see a lot of more videos of me trading in my car because shit, it's my car. Nigga, I work for this shit. And as traders, bro, as us traders, who wouldn't want to see some shit like that, bro? That shit live as fuck. But yeah, man, I love y'all boys. Hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. And I will see y'all I will see y'all later, actually, because I see y'all later in the next video. Y'all gonna see the present. So I love y'all, man. Be safe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and see y'all in the next video.